So the DJI Pocket 3 has finally been announced, and we were right about some specs. The long-awaited 1-inch sensor has finally arrived, but at first glance, it does not seem to bring a major leap in video capabilities. Now this might leave you wondering, is the DJI Pocket 3 really worth the new price tag, or the hype it initially generated? Let's dive in and find out. The DJI Pocket 2 had a 1-in-color touchscreen, and the new Pocket 3 improves on this with a larger 2-in-old touchscreen that can rotate for both horizontal and vertical shooting. This change makes it much easier for you to navigate the touchscreen and gives a more natural feel when creating content for social media. Plus, it looks even cooler than its predecessors. The new touchscreen has a resolution of 314 x 556, 700 nits of brightness, and covers 100% of the P3 HDR color gamut. Due to the larger display, the overall size of the device has increased, but it's still compact enough to fit in your pocket. Under the screen, you'll find a 5D joystick that allows you to rotate the gimbal and control functions like zoom, pan, and tilt. Right next to that, there's a power button, which also functions as the recording button. Overall, the design is not only convenient, but also stylish. DJI made a much-needed upgrade by switching from a 1:1 7-inch sensor to a 1-inch sensor, which was something lacking in the Pocket 2. This larger sensor significantly improved the quality of both video and photos, specifically in low-light conditions, addressing the noise problems in darker areas that were noticeable in the Pocket 2. The Pocket 3 retains the same face and object tracking capabilities as the Pocket 2 and features a 3x mechanical gimbal that stabilizes the entire lens. It can shoot high-speed footage at up to 4K at 120p and has a 20mm equivalent focal length with a fixed f-stop 2.0 aperture. It can capture still photos at 9.4 megapixels and has a maximum video resolution of 4K. Comparatively, the Osmo Pocket 2 comes with a smaller type 1:1 7 sensor that is also stabilized on a 3-axis mechanical gimbal capable of shooting up to 4K 60p footage. Beyond slow-motion capabilities, the video capabilities between the two devices are quite similar. The Osmo Pocket 3 has a 1300 mAh battery that not only lasts longer than the 875 mAh battery in the Pocket 2, but also charges more quickly. But the resolution and the video capabilities are somewhat disappointing. It's possible that DJI is reserving more significant upgrades for the DJI Pocket 4, who knows? After a significant hiatus, DJI has made a welcome return with the Osmo Pocket 3, a premium device priced at over $500. This camera is not only a beautiful design, but also carefully crafted with every component seamlessly fitting into the overall design. The introduction of a new 1-inch sensor marks a game-changing upgrade for the Pocket line, resulting in improved image quality for both photos and videos. The Creator Combo Bundle, priced at $669, includes the DJI Mic 2 Transmitter Pocket 3 battery handle mini tripod, carrying bag, wrist strap, and USB-C cable if you need an overall package to get things started. In our opinion, the DJI Pocket 3 is the ultimate choice.
That's all for today. Thanks for watching the video. Like and share it with your friends if you find it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.